Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Clearwater Beach to 10 nautical miles southwest of Siesta Key, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Terra, Manatee, Nearshore Reef, Old Tampa Bay, Howard Frankland Bridge, Madeira Beach Reef, Longboat Key, M4 Reef, Cockroach Bay, MD1 Reef, Siesta Key, M7 Reef, Anna Maria Island, Treasure Island Reef, M8 Reef, Big Sarasota Pass, Passagrille Channel, Southwest Channel, St. Peter Beach Reef, M5 Reef, and M1 Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.